Yeah, I know. This jawline couldn't cut butter, let alone look sharp. But 30 days later, after actually training my neck, it pulled itself into a completely new shape. Everyone trains arms, chest, and shoulders, but ignores the muscle that literally holds your face in place, the neck. Some people are born with the Superman jaw. The rest of us look like we lost an argument with gravity. The jawline isn't magic, it's posture and neck muscles. If you've never trained your neck, you've basically left your jaw unsupported your entire life. Jawline myths. Let's clear the nonsense first. Chewing gum and jaw trainers don't build the muscles that define the jawline. They just pump your masseter. And without neck support, your jaw still collapses the moment you relax. Neck strength pulls the jaw into position and keeps it there. That's why even with good genetics, your jawline can still look soft. Jaw trainers can damage teeth, strain the TMJ, and create an uneven bite. Don't risk long-term pain for a shortcut. Go slow, stay controlled, and if your jaw clicks or hurts, stop. There's no cosmetic win worth wrecking your joints over. When deep neck flexors start doing their job, your head finally stacks where it belongs. Your jaw no longer sinks backward into your neck. Skin tightens, double chin softness fades, and angles return. This isn't trick lighting or fake shadow hack stuff. Posture literally sculpts the jawline. Stop walking around like a turtle. Forward head posture collapses your jawline instantly. Every inch your head sticks forward adds visual weight under the chin. Chin tucks, neck stacking, ribs down, tongue up. When posture and airway align, your jaw isn't created, it's revealed. Nose breathing keeps the jaw lifted, cheeks tight, lips sealed. Mouth breathing drops the jaw and softens the face over time. Even at low body fat, bad posture erases every angle you think you've earned. Week 1, adaptation. Week 1 is the hardest. Your neck wakes up for the first time and deep muscles panic. Expect soreness, tight traps, maybe a headache or two. That means muscles that have been asleep for years are finally firing. By day 7, I didn't look transformed, but I held myself differently. My head wasn't shoved forward. My jaw didn't blend into my neck anymore. Just that change made my profile look cleaner, sharper, more awake. Week 2, visible improvements. Week 2 is when definition peeks through. Not shredded, not dramatic, but undeniably different. This is where posture meets muscle tone. Deep flexors start lifting the chin instead of letting it sink. Angles start forming without effort. That's when people around you notice something's changed. Week 3, face structure changes. By week 3, your entire face reorganizes without you trying. Your neck stops collapsing forward, your skull sits properly over your spine, and your tongue stays lifted without reminding yourself. Breathing becomes easier. That alone changes the jawline from the inside out. Mouth breathing spreads the cheeks and drops the jaw. Nose breathing lifts the jaw, tightens the midface, and sharpens angles automatically. At this point, you're not forcing posture, you've become posture. Switch breathing alone for 30 days and your profile changes even before muscle size does. Week 4, neuromuscular lock-in. Week 4 isn't just strength, it's rewiring. Your nervous system now defaults to stacked head, sealed lips, raised tongue, and relaxed traps. This is when the jawline stops being something you work on and becomes how your face naturally sits. You're not correcting yourself all day. Your body finally remembers for you. 30-day progress expectations. Fat loss reveals, neck training defines, posture maintains. Hit all 3 consistently, and your jawline goes from soft to carved, not in selective lighting, but in everyday life. Day 10, less compression. Day 20, visible lift. Day 30, structural change. Not a pump, not a flex. You rebuilt the architecture holding your jaw. Deep neck flexors control chin position. Tongue posture lifts the midface. Airway dictates jaw angle. This isn't cosmetic, it's anatomical reality. Stronger neck means open airway. Open airway means higher tongue posture. Higher tongue posture means visible jawline. Definition isn't carved, it's supported. Comment day 1 if you're starting today. In 30 days, I'll reply to your progress. The next video is the upper back and trap expansion, because a wider frame makes the jawline look even sharper. Your jawline wasn't missing. Your neck just needed attention.